Well, good afternoon and welcome to Ellingson Motorcars in our front showroom here in good old Rogers, Minnesota. We have 100 plus cars in our indoor showroom. Here today we're going to take a look at one of the nicest Survivor 69 Corvette Coupes we've run across with a little over 31,000 actual documented miles. This is a true Survivor. Come and take a look. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in good old Rogers, Minnesota on a nice summer day. We are in our indoor front showroom. We have a 100-car indoor showroom to have lots of choices for you. Today we're looking at a 1969 Corvette Coupe. It is a Survivor. This is original paint, original engine, transmission, drivetrain, interior, whatnot, and we have paperwork that goes back to way back when she was brand new. It is a 350 horse. 350, a factory 4-speed, which makes this really desirable. And of course, Monza red is always going to be a good color if you want a Corvette. T-tops, of course, was one of the standards in 1969. The other thing about 69s, they have the removable back window. So this car is as close to a convertible when you take that stuff off as owning a convertible, but a little more stable, I guess you will, if you don't have the convertible top. Beautiful original interior, leather with the headrests. You've got the factory AM radio, AM FM actually, and this is just one of those cars that we call a Survivor. We have great pictures of this on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars, and you will see the underside is actually for an original car. It is unmolested, I guess is a word we're going to use. You can also find a history of all our inventories. You can find that on our Facebook page. You can go to our YouTube channel. Again, it's one of those Survivors. We have great paperwork, trail history. It's just one of those cars that you could bring this to any local Corvette rally, local car show, and you'll have a crowd coming simply because you just don't see that many Survivors like this in this day and age. So come and take a look at it here in Rogers, Minnesota. Our store hours are Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. As I said, you can find it on our webpage, Facebook, or YouTube channel as well. Thanks for visiting today and hope to see you soon.